Time, sure does fly. With this in mind, let's fly back to a time that helped to shape the region. The year is 1931. Heinrich Blank's young Oberderdingen-based business is making troughs for the oven industry. He learns from the local mayor that in Oberweiler, 70 kilometers away in the Black Forest, another manufacturer is developing innovative electrical heating rods to heat water, and immediately grasps how well electrical heating could complement to the Blanco troughs for ovens. A positive reply from Oberweiler comes immediately. Yes, we can produce the heating rods for you. We await your visit. The initial correspondence quickly leads to a personal friendship and an entrepreneurial community. That same year, Karl Fischer and his company, known as E.G.O, moved to E.G.O. Together, the two entrepreneurs found a joint electrical appliance company, Elektrogerätebau Blank & Fischer, Oberderdingen, Württemberg. From this point forward, both entrepreneurs work side by side and lay the foundation stone for the unique success of the Blanco and E.G.O companies. The O in the company name will stand for Oberderdingen. In the following decades, the two Oberderdingen-based companies will develop into leading global brands in the household and electrical appliance industry. At E.G.O in 1931 as well, company founder Karl Fischer also develops and produces the first electrical hotplate for serious production, as well as an electrical switch and thermostat to go with it. Before long, 4 of the plates are being set into almost every stove around the world, and it was all developed and manufactured in Oberderdingen. To grasp the scale of what happened, in Oberderdingen, in over 50 years of 3-shift operation, simple grey cast iron would be transformed into 650 million hot plates. In the same time, the employees also installed more than 800 million switches and regulators for the stove industry. A gigantic achievement of the committed employees of E.G.O, who were always more than employees in the eyes of Karl Fischer. They have rather been part of a large family, the E.G.O family. The success story from Oberderdingen continues. New production halls and buildings are going up. Old ones are being torn down. Over the last 90 years or so, the E.G.O group has continued to grow, and with its pioneering spirit and engineering skills has expanded its market leadership. E.G.O continues to pursue the vision of Karl Fischer to make life easier for people by means of useful products. Today, in 2019, a further step towards the future will be taken in Oberderdingen. The opening of the new headquarters of the E.G.O Group and Blank & Fischer family holding. The new building makes visible to all the progress and expansion of the Blank & Fischer family holding from a pure financial holding company to a management holding company. This is where the threads of the corporate group will be stitched together in order to continue to grow dynamically and profitably in the long term, for the benefit of all the employees, the community and the people of the region.